Good morning, all. We're down here at Buddy Kenny's. We're grabbing his Mack tractor, gonna take it to Jasper, Bob's Auto. It's he got some type of issue with the computer. That's kind of above my head. We're gonna haul him down there with the Kenworth. Another cold one today. I think it's 26 degrees. It takes me a while to get used to this. Step out here and look at these chains before I get out on the highway. Check it, and then I won't even look back. Typical Holmes setup. Got a couple safety chains here. I just wrap around a cross member. Got my aluminum angle in there. And this kind of went under that spring bracket and hook onto the frame. I tie my steering wheel off. Back in the day, we just used tarp straps, but I use them little ratchet straps too. Don't want him going nowhere. Here we go. At least the heater works good in this thing.